Tesla Cybertruck front castings spotted at Texas Gigafactory in drone video. Front metal castings that are reportedly meant for the Tesla Cybertruck have been spotted at the company's Texas Gigafactory by Joe Tegtmeyer, who flew his drone around the facility in Austin on Mother's Day and posted a set of photos, as well as a video of the whole flight. A couple of the huge metal castings have been labeled with a big C, hinting at the possibility that they're intended to be used on the Cybertruck. Furthermore, at closer inspection, it looks like the parts include both front wheel wells and a connecting piece that will presumably be attached to the firewall of the truck. It's a similar design to the front castings for the Model Y, but as some users on the Cybertruck Owners Club forum have pointed out, the shape of the wheel wells are not the same, with the ones spotted with a big C on them having a larger aperture, presumably to accommodate the bigger wheels of the electric pickup truck, with multiple prototypes spotted on the road in recent weeks, including what appears to be a first sighting on the streets of Texas a couple of days ago. It's apparent that Tesla is moving fast with the development of the Cybertruck, ahead of its expected launch in the third quarter. With this being said, however, the front castings that have been spotted on the floor of the Texas Gigafactory are likely meant for another batch of prototypes and not for customer vehicles. Usually, when mass production is in full swing, components aren't laying on the ground randomly. They're arranged next to the assembly line where robots or humans need them at a particular point in the production process. While unconfirmed, it's also likely that these parts have been made with the help of the second 9,000-ton Giga press that set sail from Italy's IDRA group about 3 months ago, with the first massive die casting machine being reportedly used for the pickup's outer shell. As always, we'd like to know what you think about this latest sighting. So head over to the comments below to give us your thoughts. Source: reposted and summarized from Julian Nystrom at Inside EVS.